What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you. Today we're talking about DraftKings and the potentials. But before I get there, I got to show my appreciation to the people that have been here since day one. And if this is your first time or you plan it to be your last time, I still appreciate you either way. Everybody, just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video. And I did say everybody. Subscribe, the button's right there. So if you're still watching right now, it takes your little fingers, boop, 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 and we can move on, right? Bam, now we're moving on. DraftKings, is it worth a buy? Y'all should know that, for the HINANCE ETF, I don't think I had DraftKings in, but I think I might be swapping DraftKings for a plug. I'm starting to get some. No, maybe I won't. Maybe I won't swap DraftKings for plug just yet. Maybe we'll just add in DraftKings, and you may wonder why. Well, I've spoken about them before, and I really do believe that there's two industries that are gonna really capitalize on this. Like, think about it. The lottery is like has its own lane. There's no competition. You can't compete against the lottery, but with platforms like DraftKings, Penn's Barstool. Now you got different forms of gambling, so that opens up, opportunities. People, maybe someone might not feel like, hey, I don't want to go all the way down to the casino this weekend, but I still want to bet. Let me sit on my couch. Let me kick a couple beers back, kick a couple drinks back, smoke a little something, and let me just start rolling the dice right on my phone. The accessibility, the convenience. There's two industries that I think are gonna just one or the other. I don't know. It's either both are gonna propel crazy, or one or the other is gonna win over the other. But they're both going to propel. I do believe that, and that's the cannabis and the sports betting. Sports betting very big at the palm of your hands, and sports isn't even at an all time. Like, there's still. It doesn't have that full competitive feeling just yet because there's not fans in the crowd like they used to be. It's not packed out gyms. So I still think that there's a lot of room to grow. There's still a lot of states that have to make it legal, but many states have been getting on board because they want that revenue. They want that tax revenue. They need that tax revenue. It's not really an option for a lot of these states. It's no brainers for a lot of these states. Yeah, we're going to approve sports betting and we're going to approve cannabis. We're going to get money on the tax end, but it could negatively affect a lot of these states, and that's probably why it was illegal in the first place. Because you go and make it legal for sports betting, you get your tax money in. What if people just go and blow all their money? They literally bet everything they have, and everybody's betting everything they have. Everybody's just gambling because maybe they think that some bailout's going to come, another stimulus check's going to come, and then now the state that approved the sports betting, now they got the tax money, but now there's no more tax money to be coming in anymore because everybody's spending their money. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it doesn't happen. They somehow find a way to keep it under control. I know that a lot of the laws are changing on a month-to-month probably basis. I heard Portnoy saying that Illinois is making people go in person to one of the Penn casinos, which that's kind of weak. But either way, I think DraftKings is a decent stock to be looking at, trading around $60. I think the sky's the limit because if people want to bet and continue betting, sport, we know how long and how good sports can get, and I think that there's going to be a window, I don't know whether it's going to be football, baseball, basketball, which sport is, but there's going to be a sport that it's going to be very hot to watch. Very hot to watch. Is it going to be basketball? I hope so. I love basketball. Football, I'm not a big fan of watching NFL, so sometimes I don't wish it was football. Baseball, could it be soccer, could it be many different things, but I think it's cool. It's gambling at your fingertips. Y'all know people can't hold on to money too long. The consumers go crazy. Don't be a consumer on this end. You want to be an investor on this end. Want to be an investor. Yes, as a consumer, you may have more potential, more opportunities to make higher amounts of money, but those same opportunities you have to make money will be the same opportunities you have to lose money. In this case, you want to be the investor, not the consumer. But start to put DraftKings on your watch list. I'm not telling you to buy DraftKings. I am a holder of DraftKings, and I bought it at like 35, 37, one of those prices. I bought at one of those prices, and I've been very happy with that purchase. And if it does ever somehow get to that point, which I don't know, I think that those were the lows, that we didn't really know where sports was going, where we were going forward. So if it does get to those lows again, we're gonna chalk it up. We're gonna add some more. But I don't really have a price point because it's a very volatile market. I can say, and that's because if they cancel a game, they cancel a season, or they change the schedule, then now no one can bet no more. People that wanted to bet $1,000 this weekend, a bunch of games got canceled. Well, they're gonna take that money. They're gonna go somewhere else because they're gonna be unhappy. They didn't get a chance to make money. So now you're giving up the opportunities. So it's a volatile space to be in. But like I said, long term, I think that the potentials are very, very high. Has high potential, high growth, and this is just the beginning for DraftKings. Maybe people would say that there's not enough evidence that DraftKings will have high potential, and that's a good argument too. But I like to be more optimistic. I'm a more optimistic person so that you can go do some damn research and figure out if this fits your portfolio. I know it fits mine, but does it fit yours? That's a question you have to ask yourself. Either way, I appreciate y'all for watching. Do y'all think Penn will do better than DraftKings? Will Penn and Barstool do better than DraftKings? I'm interested in y'all perspective. I think there's another trading company. I might have missed it, but put in the comments if you know the other sports betting app that there is out there. Who do you think will be the winner? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Either way, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great rest of your day because I'm going to enjoy mine for sure.